let's go ahead and take a look at two-dimensional analysis problems. The first one is we're going to go ahead and convert 8 miles into kilometers. And so in order to do that, what we do is we need a conversion factor. What's the relationship between kilometers and miles? And so what we know is 1 mile is the same as 1.61 kilometers. And so what ends up happening on this problem then is you take that original and then you're going to multiply by a conversion factor. In this case, I'm going to take 1.61 kilometers over, because since those are equal to each other, it's really just like a 1. And so what happens is when I multiply this by this expression, this is equal to 1. And so what you end up with is 8 times 1.61. What happens is the miles cancel out like variables. And so then you end up with, and this one you want to round to 2 decimal places, so you're going to do 8 times, we're going to do 8 times 1.61. I get 12.88 kilometers. So that's an example for the first one. Let's go ahead and look at another one here, converting pounds to kilograms. And so we have 202 pounds, or lbs we can go with, all over 1. Multiply that by a conversion factor. So the conversion factor that we have is that there are 2.2 pounds equal to 1 kilogram. And I guess if you're looking at this example here, this is a sample problem that was done incorrectly here. I think we can also convert that into, if we divide that, let's see where the 0.43 comes from real quick. If we do 1 divided by 2.21, you do get 0.53. So this is technically right, and so we should be getting a similar answer, but it could just be the rounding that's off here. And so 212 pounds over 1 times, and in this case, it's going to be 1 kilogram for every 2.21 pounds. And so then in this case, the pounds would cancel. And so we're left with 202 divided by 2.21 kilograms. And we would actually go ahead and calculate that. 202 divided by 2.21. And so then I end up with 91 point to 2 decimals 40 kilograms. So those are 2 examples to help you.